Hi there, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can create business card in Adobe InDesign. So this is standard business cards, 3.5 inches by 2 inches, landscape orientation, 2 pages for double-sided, and margin should be 0.1 to 5 inches and bleed should also be 0.1 to 5 inches. And I will hit create. Here you can see we have red borders around the artboards. These area, only the white area will show after the printing and cutting, and if you can just press the W key, you can see which area will show after the print and cut. And from here I will choose hue. This is the natural like default HSB color space view for the Illustrator and Photoshop also. So this is how I like it. I will create nice gray greenish color rectangle here, and I will create a shape on top of it. This could be diagonal or straight, any way you like it. This is the purpose of this, to separate the business card information, to separate the logo and the designation and all the other info like phone number, email, website or address. The most business cards has these two elements where they are gonna separate the designation and the logo. Now I will add the logo here on this black shape. I will scale it down a little bit and I will write name and designation here. I will choose Source Sans Pro font, a nice sans serif font. I will write the designation here, scale it down a bit and place it under the name. I will write a company name here and scale it down a bit. Now I will change the font to Source Serif Pro. I'm using two different fonts. One is serif and one is sans serif font, and they are like good pairs of each other. Like they are both Source Serif and Source Sans Serif. With the W key you can turn on the preview after the print, and you can press W again to see the margins and bleed and everything. Now I will write the phone number, email, website and address. Usually those are the things that goes on the business cards. And now I will add the icons for it. For the icons I use it from Google Icons. You can just search in the Google that Google Icons and the link will come up, and you can just use the icons from there, and you can just copy the icon that you want and just paste it in Illustrator, and then copy it from Illustrator to paste it in InDesign. Somehow I tried, but it is not copying directly from here to pasting in InDesign. Rather you can just download a PNG or SVG and then place it in InDesign, or you can just use it like my method. I am using it as pasting it in Illustrator first, and then copying and pasting it in InDesign. So I'm also using Illustrator for it. I just feel like this is the faster way of doing it. So if you feel like, you can just download the SVG or PNG and then place it in here. Both ways are correct. I will now add all the other icons for email, website and address. One by one I will add all the icons with the same process I just told you. I will also add a bit of leading and adjust the icons according to the leading, and adjust everything a bit after all the design process. So now I will create the second part of the business card, the back side of the business card, and for that I have created another page. If you don't have created the page, you can just go to Windows and then Pages panel, and you can just create a new page from that. I will copy the artwork from my first page, the front side, and then paste it in the second, and then adjust the logo, make it in the center, and with the W key you can just see the preview after the print, and if you hit the W key again you can just see the view that before printing or before cutting. Now I will export it by pressing Command E, or just go to File and Export, and from the marks and bleeds I will use document bleed settings and add crop marks and hit export, and now it's ready to go to the print.